Hi hotties! The big apartment move is coming in hot and my room currently has just way too many things that just don't make sense for me to bring to the new place. A lot of it is basically just junk that I was either too lazy to throw away or I just had some strange, just like not logical reasoning for keeping it. I just did a closet clean out where, you guessed it, I cleaned out my closet. So I've done all the clothes, but I still have like random things in my room, right? So I thought I would document it and like share like the whole experience because I feel like it's very motivating and also satisfying to watch. So today the three main areas that we're going to tackle are my closet storage, which is like a horrible hot mess, my work and makeup area, which is slightly lesser of a hot mess but still pretty bad, and then my bathroom. How did all this fit in one closet? Why am I exhausted too? So inside, as you can see, is an absolute mess. Well, actually this closet is not as bad as the other one. Yep, I can't even like open it without it being like jammed in some way. But yeah, this one has so much stuff and I was just so excited to just kind of like let go of everything. Jammed in there is like a desk and chair that this apartment provided, and as you can see, Suki made it her own and she doesn't care that I have to pay for it. She don't give a fuck. I started with the most daunting closet, and as you can see, there's a ton of shit here. I don't know how this happened. I mostly like saved like a lot of like random stuff and kind of made it like, oh, it's like a later problem, but I guess now it is a now problem. I'm going to have three separate piles. I'm going to have one that is like stuff I'm going to keep. The next one is going to be a maybe. I don't know if my family wants any of this stuff. I don't know if my boyfriend wants to keep it into the apartment because we're moving in together. Yeah, that's going to be like a whole separate topic. And then the third is going to be like the trash. I guess I'll have another pile of like donations. So yeah, let's get through it. Okay, let's see what I even have in this closet. Okay, so this first one has a random router that broke. As you can see, don't know why I kept it. Martin and I went to a Funko like store and we like designed each other. So I have this. I'm excited just to have a new space so I can display stuff because I felt like I was really restricted in here in terms of decoration. So I'm excited to do more with that. I have some light bulbs, which I actually think will be helpful. Oh my god, I hit like a vein and oh, ow. I suppose I can dedicate this box to like electronics and just like random home stuff. I used to roller skate a lot, so I still have like the knee pads and stuff, but I'm gonna keep them because I'm gonna be living kind of near a park. So I guess I have no excuses to not be active. So I'm Asian, obviously, and I come from like immigrant parents. I don't know, like, is this like a normal family thing to just keep Apple boxes? I've had these headphones for a few months, so I kind of like, I can't really return it anyways, but it is fun to open. I'm just gonna put like my little totes and stuff into this bigger bag. I have this really like fucked like light stick thing. Does this still work? Yay! Is when I went to Head of the Clouds festival, but I don't think I need it anymore. Okay, so I have three memory boxes and I'm like pretty sentimental. I love keeping like random shit just to like remember, but now I just have to like kind of go through it and be like, is this actually sentimental and would actually make me happy, or is it just trash that I'm just saving? So you're probably wondering why I have this children's book in there, and it's funny because it's one of our like kind of first dates. I like read this book in like a Barnes and Noble and then I started crying. I don't know, I'm not usually emotional like that, but I don't know why this book made me cry. So as a surprise, he bought this for me. Where's Spot? That's Spot. He hasn't eaten his supper. Where can he be? Is he behind the door? No. Is he inside the clock? No. Is he in the piano? He's not. Is he in the box? No. I remember when I read this, I got tricked. I was like, oh my god, he's definitely in the box. Like, that's what it says in the fucking cover. There's Spot! I think I started crying because I thought Spot was so cute. And he's like, he has such big hands, but he's a small little body and his little spot is adorable. I've narrowed the memory boxes down to 2. This first one is for Martin and I, and then this one is just for like random like family memories and all that. And then I also organized a little bit of my scrapbooking stuff. Okay, so when I first found Suki, she was such a little angel. I was like, oh, she's a little baby. She deserves a cute little bed. So I bought her like this kind of expensive bed that looked like a little cat. They kind of had her coloring. And then her little baby ass does this. I was so sad. But at least she had fun, but you did this.
Bitch, I don't give a fuck.
There wasn't too much in that closet, thank God, but now I'm just going to organize my bikinis. I have big fake boobs now, so a lot of my old ones don't fit anymore. Next day, and now we're gonna move on to like my makeup table and also this over here. Like at first glance you would think all of this is organized, like it looks kind of clean. No, once you open it, it's bad. It's bad. I just hide random stuff in here. So yeah, this is gonna be a big one, but it will be liberating to organize and just declutter. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to this section. There's so many drawers. There's a lot of jewelry, hair accessories, and other things in here. So I just gotta sort these out and then, like, you know, hide things for the movers if I need to. So aside from my closet, this is definitely the most cluttered space. This first drawer has like all my masks, but I think I could just condense it all into one bag. Like, this bag is empty. Like, why is it in here? I loved these Hello Kitty masks so much, but I would always have to double mask with them because I don't think they're that protective, but I should wear them again. They're so cute. Okay, so I condensed it all into one bag. I have my tan mask here and then my black mask under. Okay, one done. We can do it. Okay, I think this stuff is supposed to be... Actually, I don't know. I don't see a theme here. Tried and true nippies. Yes, we love them. They're literally the best. Okay, I actually think these necklaces are gorgeous, and honestly, I'm such a horrible person for letting it like get tangled up like this, so I'm just gonna keep it like there, and then another day I will take the time to untangle it. But again, this video is not super like I'm gonna organize everything because I'm just gonna move anyways, so I'm gonna reorganize when I move in and like have everything in their space. But right now it's just mostly decluttering.
At the punch bowl, everyone's
was upstairs. Can I tell you something?
This desk is home to many storage areas, places, which is both a blessing and a curse because yeah, like it would be nice, you know, to be able to store all my stuff and like hide it. But then there's actually like a place for you to hide something. Does that make sense? Like it's just a double-edged sword. I finally had to face my past self when I just put so much stuff in here, and it's not too bad, but I was just like, wow, like why did I keep all this trash? And afterwards, I just wiped everything down. Not too much of a deep clean because I'm just gonna move anyways, right? But just a little tidy session, you know?
Do you think you love me too? Tell me what you want me to say. I don't really like you the same way. I'm sorry if I wasted your night.
Good morning. Now it's time to do the bathroom. There's just a lot of stuff in here. I definitely need to organize a lot. A lot of it is just like sprawled out everywhere. Do you want to help me organize the bath? Hey, that wasn't nice. You don't want it? That's fine. I don't want to either. Here's a little bathroom tour. I'm like kind of embarrassed to show this, but it must be done. So when you walk in, you see this monstrosity. It's Suki's litter robot, and she just took a shit in it. So now it smells, but I have to like wait for it to like the poop to harden before I cycle it so it doesn't like smear everywhere. So that's really great. I'm really excited that my new apartment has like more space so I don't have to like be, I feel like she wants her privacy too. You know what I mean? Like we need to have our separate spaces. I have so much stuff in here and in here, and then this is just what, oh, it's bad, I know, but yeah, this is just a little this is a little tour. I did hang up this pretty poster though. And then in here I just have like my towels, some cleaning supplies, hair tools, cat food, you know. normal things. I need to go through these drawers right now, so I just gotta move this out of the way. Like I vacuum in here all the time, but then the litter just gets everywhere.
I don't know how to play guitar with the ladies love Mars and this little shawty love me. I could drop the drums to see you fly back and forth through the sky, but I'd rather go back to the things I know where the sun shines down and the night's not cold. Cause you are playing with my heart, I don't know why.
Because these little drawers are like blocked by Suki's litter robot, I rarely like go through these. Honestly, probably only just the first one. So I found a lot of goodies in there, like some COVID tests, something like that. So that's always good to have. I organized this area a lot, and then I also went to like the closet space next to the toilet and just sorted everything out. And then lastly, I organized the little like cart wheelie storage thing.
Can you give me softly? Won't you? She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends. She don't like her boyfriend, hit me on the weekends. Her and all of my friends go out on the weekends.
I think the apartment looks great right now. I think it's a good starting point for when the movers come, so they're only moving the things that I actually want and need. So yeah, I think everything looks pretty tidy, I suppose. I'm so excited for this next journey and chapter of my life. I really appreciate and love all of you guys. Thank you so much for allowing me to have like a new apartment to move into. And yeah, see you later, hotties. Bye.
C'est l'histoire d'une fille pas trop compliquée pour une fois. Cherchant l'impossible, elle trouva que c'était une bonne idée.